Hey guys, Autumn from Zappos here, and this is the Sonic RA2 Nocturne from Salomon. I really like the overall design of this shoe because it kind of looks like a street sneaker, but it's definitely going to help with running. The bottom gives you a Contour Grip MA outsole. It's got flat, wide lugs and a contoured heel pad in a sticky rubber, so that way it gets great traction on both wet and dry surfaces, has some great flexibility, and you've got reflective taping, so that way, in those low lighted areas, you're gonna be a little more visible. There is the Vibe technology, so that actually works with other midsole components to attenuate that impacting shock. It also supplies you with an ortholite footbed that's molded, has an open cell construction, and it gives you more breathability. It's got that easy lace-up design, and it's got an elastic bootie cuff and pull tabs, so that way it'll be easy for on and off. Inside's gonna give you a really lightweight wool blend liner. It's breathable, great for cold weather insulation. It also has the seamless GORE Invisible Fit membrane. It's integrated into the upper to reduce friction and give you that protection. It's also got a mesh upper that's breathable. TPU overlays are gonna give you durability as well as structural support. Be ready for your next adventure with these shoes from Salomon.